The South African Weather Service has issued 8 weather warnings for this weekend, which includes the possibility of heavy rain leading to flooding, strong winds, high seas, and disruptive snow. So here's your weekend forecast. On Friday night, that strong cold front slamming the Western Cape, and on its tail, we've got this cut of low weather system that's going to help push in this blast of icy cold subpolar air across the country. A steep drop in temperature, especially in parts of the Cape provinces on Saturday and Sunday, which could be dangerous for small stock and vulnerable crops, so please take precaution. We're also expecting high seas this weekend on Saturday here over the southern coastline and the coastal areas of the Western Cape, and into Sunday, spreading over the southern coast, the Eastern Cape, and later reaching the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal, with sea heights between 6 to 8 meters. Windy this weekend across South Africa. A strong southerly wind on Saturday for Cape Town, spreading along the southern coastline. We can see the winds turning around that low pressure system over the southern coast, windy over the entire of South Africa, and gusting winds of more than 70 kilometers per hour in parts of the Karoo from late on Saturday, which could be dangerous for high-sided vehicles. It's going to be windy across the country, and into Sunday, a strong westerly wind will continue to blow over the coastal areas of South Africa between 2 cold fronts, and also strong southerly wind for our neighboring country. Snow will start falling on Saturday morning over the Matroosberg, the Cederberg, the mountainous areas of the Western Cape. This includes the Swartberg, as well as the mountainous areas near Uniondale in the Little Karoo. Snow will also fall in Sutherland, and then there's a slight possibility of a mix of maybe snow, sleet, and showers falling in our neighboring country and in small spots here in the Northern Cape. This will most likely not even reach the ground and quickly melt. And then snow will spread over the high-lying areas of the Karoo, as well as the Eastern Cape, the Southern Drakensberg, and Lesotho into Sunday. And on Sunday, there's the possibility of ground snow in small towns like New Bethesda, Multino, and Berkeley East in the Eastern Cape. Our synoptic analysis showing that strong cold fronts spreading across South Africa on Saturday. Cold conditions as far north as our neighboring countries and reaching Gauteng by Sunday, with scattered showers and thunderstorms over the southern parts of South Africa, and another front arriving in the Western Cape late on Sunday. So here's your summary on what you can expect. Most of the rain on Saturday over the Cape provinces, widespread showers and thunderstorms here in the Western Cape and along the southern coastline, as well as the adjacent interior, and snow expected over the mountainous areas. On Sunday, the showers spreading into the Eastern Cape, as well as parts of Lesotho. Rain possible in KwaZulu-Natal, very isolated showers in the Northern Cape and the Free State. And then we've got that next cold front that will bring late evening showers for Cape Town. A cold Saturday morning for the interior, with single-digit minimum temperatures, -1 in Sutherland, only for the morning in Bethlehem, mild along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. On Saturday, we can clearly see the contrast in temperatures over the west and the east. Ahead of the fronts, it will warm up nicely, so enjoy the sunny and warm weather while it lasts, with 25 in Pretoria, 27 in Mbombela, 29 in Richards Bay. But it's cold behind that front. Snowy in Sutherland, only 4 degrees the afternoon, and a cold 13 degrees in Cape Town. Then it's also going to be an icy cold Sunday morning. We're expecting some frost here in parts of the Karoo in the northern as well as the Eastern Cape, -2 in Dar, and -1 expected in Bethlehem. On Sunday, the cold conditions are spreading across South Africa, a steep drop in temperature over the interior as well as in northwest and Gauteng. Only 12 degrees in Johannesburg, and icy cold 10 degrees in Bloemfontein, and very cold conditions here in parts of the Karoo. Then it's going to be the coldest morning on Monday, with widespread frost across South Africa. Temperatures will plummet below freezing level in the shade of pink, with -5 the morning in Bloemfontein and Bethlehem. Also dropping below freezing in Johannesburg, and only 1 in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Stay warm, South Africa.